Let's do this AEIOU scale. This AEIOU scale is very important there because all we do when we sing is we go from one vowel to the next. You can't sing a syllable or a consonant. You can only sing the vowel. You can't sing T, T. You can't sing P, P. Same thing goes to a vowel. Let's do the first three vowels here together. Remember the rule with singing, less down low, more up top, smaller mouth placements down here, Dev. Have a listen to me. Relax, air, round, C, little smile, heart, me and you. I mean you by yourself. Air, C, heart, okay? Relax, round, smile. I'll do it again. Air, C, heart. Your turn, Dev.
C, heart.
Good, 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 good. I'll do this one. Air, C, heart.
C, heart.
Nice, nice. Air, C, heart.
C, heart.
Good. By yourself, Devon. Up the key.
C, heart. C, heart.
I change keys then, Dev. Hear me. Hear me. A, C, heart. Your turn.
C, heart.
Nice work. By yourself. Up the semitone.
C, heart. C, heart.
That was the same key. Let's go up the key. Hear the chord.
C, heart.
Good, Dev. We're 3/4 the way up your range now, man. So you can start to go horizontal on air and C here. I know it says relax and round, but you want to start to go horizontal because we're getting into the higher part of your range. Watch me here. Air, C, heart.
C, heart.
Good.
C, heart.
Good, good. We want to have little smile, big smile now. Dev, watch me. In the soft palate. A, C, heart.
C, heart.
I need it back a little bit more, especially on air, Dev. You nearly sat underneath it, so it's got to go. Air. And I'm sobbing a little bit. A, C, heart.
C, heart.
Perfect. One more, we're done.
C, heart.
You just make sure that you're working. Watch that pitch now going up by semis. Good. Let's throw soul and you into it now, Dev, and then we'll put all five together. Just let me have a quick drink here, Matt. Okay. Oval on soul, little smile to alpaca on you. Watch me. Soul, you. Your turn.
You.
Good. A little smile to alpaca on you. Don't pucker too hard in, Devon. Leave it open for a little bit. Watch me again. Soul, you. Your turn.
You.
That's it. Yeah, we don't want to get you really tight in, okay? That was good, mate. That was good. I'll give you this one. Soul, you.
You. Soul, you.
Nice. I want soul oval though, Dev. Watch me. Soul, you.
Soul, you.
Good.
Soul, you. soul, you.
Excellent. Yeah, we want it more oval now, Dev. Opening up on soul now, mate. So it's got to be soul, you.
Soul, you.
Good. Let's put all 5 together now, Devon. Okay, watch me. F, C, heart, soul, you. Your turn, Dev.
C, heart, soul, you.
Nice, nice. So small mouth placements down lower, Dev, where you are now. It's totally cool, okay? So just relax these mouth placements. Let's go and do one lower here, Dev. I'll do it. F, C, heart, soul, you.
C, heart, soul, you.
Nice. F, C, heart, soul, you.
F, C, heart, soul, you.
Good by yourself, Devon. Key change.
So, C, heart, soul, you.
Good, Dev. You can cheat on this for the first week with that vowel chart there. Then after that, I just want you to basically just look into the mirror if you can and just try to remember these mouth placements. Good. I'll give you this one here, Dev. F, C, heart, soul, you. Your turn.
C, heart, soul, you. C, heart, soul, you. C, heart, soul, you.
Let's do it a little bit firmer now, Dev. You can start to smile and go a bit horizontal in air and C. Watch me. F, C, heart, soul, you.
C, heart, soul, you.
Watch your pitch a little bit there, Dev. You sat underneath it a little bit. Let's smile a little bit on air and C. Big smile on heart. Let's lift the notes up. Hear me? F, C, heart, soul, you.
C, heart, soul, you.
By yourself, Dev.
C, heart, soul, you.
Good. Dev, big smile on air and C now, man. Big smile, and then a bigger smile on heart. Watch me. F, C, heart, soul, you.
C, heart, soul, you.
What's that you there, Dev? You. You got to lift it. You.
You.
That's it with a cry. Good. Up the semitone, Devon. Last one.
C, heart, soul, you.
And just stay on top, Dev. Stay on top. You shot those baskets from underneath there, man. Hear me. F, C, heart, soul, you. Little smiles through everything if you can, but bigger smile on air, C, and heart.
C, heart, soul, you.
That was better. That was great. That was really good there, Dev.